Yes, so my correct people, I don come your way again with another ogbonge and legitimate informate wey I go like share give all of una. One of the koko I bring up for you for this hour, my correct person, na about the Labour Party crisis. So like this na Julius Abure, im don bow to pressure. Im don go meet Ajero of the NLC, say oga no vex o, make we reconcile o, e don too much o for the betterment of our party, you understand. Meanwhile, the other koko I bring up for you na about the House of Representatives. Like this now, they don dey seek to collect monthly rent payment for inside Abuja. No be small koko, my correct person. I know say no go like one miss out on any of this informate wey I bring come for you. So without wasting much of your time, make I dive into the details of the crisis wey dey happen for inside the Labour Party. Like this now, my correct people, the national chairman of the Labour Party wey be Comrade Julius Abure, im don go beg the Nigeria Labour Congress wey be NLC and their leadership say make dem let bygones be bygones, so say make dem remove all the quata wey dem get for their hearts, say make dem forgive and forget, and make dem join hands with the Labour Party to end the collective misery of country people wey dey brought to us and proudly sponsored by bad governance. Julius Abure now dey yarn this one for inside one press conference like that for inside their party's national secretariat wey dey for inside Abuja, and this one dey happen on Wednesday. No be small koko, my correct people. Julius Abure come dey yarn say e go be of collective interest of the Labour Party, the National Labour Congress, and the elected members of the party wey dey for inside the National Assembly, say make the party for dey at peace in order to move forward for the betterment of the nation. I know say based on this informate, na many of our country people dey go come outside the yarn say lie Julius Abure no fit bow to pressure, say nothing dey happen. If you think say na joke I dey, make I give you the koko as Julius Abure take yarn am. He say we must create an enabling environment to capture power and to use the same for the betterment of our people. Consequently, I want to appeal to first my own brother, friend and comrade wey be Joe Ajero, wey be president of the NLC, whom we have worked together in the trenches over the years in the struggle for the workers, to put aside whatever may be his grievances and let's work in the interest of our people. Instead to dey fight the Labour Party at this time, e no make sense at all. E is uncalled for and unwarranted, especially at this time wey the working people of the country Nigeria dey suffer. So we no need waste our collective energies as we dey fight ourselves over nothing. For us, we feel as if all the bickering, all the fights dem, all the attacks on the leadership of the party na something wey be say e dey absolutely unnecessary. E no make sense because na waste of time. And the reason why we dey fight na based on falsehood, based on lie wey dey motivated by inordinate ambition and selfish interest. So e dey in our collective interest to put all our energies and our resources together and make we begin to dey fight our common enemy and to reposition our party for better performance. So my correct people, this na how Julius Abure take yarn and dey give the president of the NLC wey be Joe Ajero. And after im don yarn all these ones, Oga Abure come still express gratitude give the governor of Abia State wey be Dr. Alex Oti and other party members and leaders wey be say dem support the party to hold a success convention. So finally my correct people, the beef between Joe Ajero of NLC and Julius Abure of the Labour Party, they don finally settle am. There is no more beef, and as everywhere is still like this, e good. Because these two men now, they're not supposed to dey fight over nothing. Both of them now, they want the betterment of the country. They want the betterment of the country people. So according to how Julius Abure talk, and no be lie wey him talk there, why did they fight now? Na based on falsehood, based on lie by others them. So no true make sense. Just they waste their energy before. And e good as the man now don't realize am, whether he know before, but in ego abi pride no let am come apologize. But last they don finally reconcile. He don apologize, give Oga Joe Ajero. Make we just know say the quata with the NLC and the Labour Party you get before, that one na thing of the past. They don roll aside, you understand. But no be small matter, my correct people. These two men, their beef, e get as e be o. You know say e get the time where the NLC dem barge into the Labour Party, their secretariat for inside Abuja, dem scatter things, dem tumble things, my correct people. Last Julius Abure now conquer and go the yarn dey give tori people. Say the NLC, especially Joe Ajero, say as dem burst inside their secretariat, say they don thief some kind things. So say like this now they need to torchlight those people their matter, and they can't even involve police. And report be even dey ground say they even set fire for their secretariat too, wey come make Julius Abure come spend some kind days for inside hospital. But last the man don recover, and last this their long beef they don finally settle am. So moving on to the next koko wey I get for you my correct people. The House of Representatives they don resolve to work with stakeholders in the real estate sector. This na to enforce monthly rent payments dem. The House now come resolve to also get viable solution to the situation of increments wey plaster on top house rent for inside the Federal Capital Territory, and they come recommend effective policies to regulate the activities of landlords dem. No be small matter. This resolution e dey based on a motion of urgent public importance wey dey moved by Emmanuel Upong Udo, and the motion come board on Wednesday. So moving the motion now, im come dey yarn about the high cost of rent for inside the Federal Capital Territory. Im come still yarn say the most civil servants dem for inside the capital city they no even fit afford rent for inside the city, and those kind levels e no make sense. According to how the lawmaker wey be Oga Emmanuel take yarn my correct people, im say monthly rent e dey provide ten ants with flexibility, better cash flow management, reasonable move out options, and e dey ensure a stable income stream. And im come dey argue say need dey for government to come to the rescue of the residents and formulate policies wey go regulate house rent and the activities of landlord for inside Abuja. Then in addition, the House come resolve to mandate the Federal Ministries of Housing, Habitat and Works to build affordable low-cost houses and estates to accommodate civil servants dem. That is to say, make the Ministry of Housing, Habitat and Works make dem comot body from all those high level of houses dem. Make dem build some kind houses wey be say low level civil servants dey go fit afford. No be those ones wey be say they go carry big facilities. You understand? So make dem give big man their big level, then give small men their small levels. You get? No be say I dey talk say anybody small. You understand? But we dey cut our coat according to the available material. You understand? So my correct people, the lawmaker e come still mandate the committee for inside the Federal Capital Territory to make dem ensure compliance with the motion. Make no bad see if the House now, the House of Representatives, they go come yarn one give them, they go come go back, go dey do 2, go dey do 3, 4, 5, all those kind of stuff dem. E no make sense. That make dem say make dem mandate committee for inside the FCT, so I go make sure say those people now dem carry out the motion wey dem don pass. You understand? So like this now, make the residents of the Federal Capital Territory make they just do the calms like this now. The House of Representatives they don table the matter of the increment wey plaster on top house rent, and based on say get as e be for inside the economy now, based on the inflation and the hardship wey dey for inside the country Nigeria, to come dey get increment on top house rent, e get as e be o. No say na all of us na dey feel the heat of the economy. So as the rep now don talk about this matter, e go calm down some people their mind, make dem just be at peace, make dem know say nothing dey really dey happen. Abeg, if you get anybody wey dey stay for inside Abuja, make you try share this video give them, so that their mind go touch ground. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV. Now they like give you only ogbonge and legitimate news on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as they bring the news they come, now you go first get the updates and you go get them sharp. Anyhow, any of our news be for body, feel free make you drop them inside our comment section, and make you try to share the news to your family and friends, so that them too they go know wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. I dey bring on that update for you my correct people. No go anywhere.